So before understanding how to frame objective, it is important to understand the general meaning of objective. Objective is basically a milestone to reach the destination, that is to attain the aim or goal of education. Objective can be specific, can be direct, or can be practical. So objective is something that you plan to do or achieve. Objectives are made by both teachers and the students. An objective is a point or end in view of something towards which action is directed. A planned change brought through any activity what we set out to do. So it is basically related with the learning outcomes of the classroom, basically the change in behavior of the child. Next, according to Bloom, education is a tripolar process. Tripolar process means three main components are included in the teaching learning process. First is educational objective, second is learning experience, and third is change in behavior. So they all are dependent on each other. So changing the behavior of child, we have to frame the educational objective, and that education objectives are achieved by learning experiences, and that learning experiences lead to the change in behavior of the child. Now, what is education objective? Education objectives are basically divided into two parts. One is general objective and second is specific objective. General objective, which is related with the all subjects or particular whole subject, and specific objective is related with particular one topic. If I am talking about social science subject, then that will be your general objective. We are talking about all the lessons. Second is specific objective. If I am talking about only solar system, then I am talking about some specific topic. Now specific objectives are divided into two parts. One is your instructional objective and second is your behavioral objective. Instructional objective is basically derived from terminal behavior of the student. Terminal means behavior change in the end, like knowledge objective achieve or not. It is unique to each course, subject or teaching point. Second is behavioral objective. Behavioral objective is related with identifying the product of instruction in terms of observable performance. Here teacher will observe the performance of the child while teaching in the classroom. These objectives are achieved while teaching only and while learning only. Now we will discuss the Bloom's cognitive domain, which is related with the thinking skills. The cognitive domain deals with mental ability and thinking processes. So it has 6 levels arranged from simple to complex. So first is remember, which means knowledge, ability to recall facts and information. There are some key verbs are here like list, define, recall, identify and name. Second is understand, comprehension. It means ability to explain ideas in own words. Key verbs are like explain, describe, summarize, interpret. Apply, application. It means using knowledge in a real life situation. Key verbs are like apply, use, demonstrate, solve, etc. Then analyze, which is related with analysis. It means breaking information into parts and relations. Key verbs are analyze, compare, differentiate, and examine. Fifth is evaluate, evaluation. It means making judgment based on criteria. Key verbs are evaluate, judge, criticize, and justify. Last is create, which is the highest level, and it is also called as synthesis. It means producing new ideas or product. So key verbs are create, design, construct, develop, and formulate. Now we will discuss one by one how we can frame lesson plan objectives by using all these action verbs. Let's discuss. So first is remembering. Like I have taken the example of solar system from subject social science. First is remembering. We can take example like list the planet of the solar system. For understanding, explain the structure of solar system. For applying, demonstrate the arrangement of planets using a model or chart. Analyzing, classify planets into inner or outer planet. Then evaluating, justify why Earth supports life. And then creating, design a model of solar system. So making objective is always a difficult task for the student. So I have tried to explain this topic in very simple language. If you have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. If you need objective of any topic, you can comment in the chat box. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel for more such videos. You can share this video with your friends also. I will also make short notes on lesson plan objective of math, science, social science, Hindi, English on different topics. So you can subscribe my channel for the future notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.